And today's video is going to be a nail installation, quick nail installation. And just to show you what I'm using today, I have this set of nails by Kiss. It's called Fancy Nails, ready to wear. They've fallen down in the packaging a little because I've already taken out my nails and sized them accordingly. I have my bin here of my tools, which includes my nail glue, which is pink gel glue. Sorry. Let me get to this is Kiss. Pink nail gel glue. I have my nail file, which is my stainless steel nail file that's got ridges on both sides. I have my wooden cuticle pusher. And I also just made an investment in these handy dandy steel tools. So this is a tricolor or rainbow nail pusher. And it has another end on here that's used for something else. The packaging said I'll probably never use that. I think it's a scrape off gel if you have gel nails or the gel nail glue. But I'm going to use this today. It came with a couple other accessories, and I got this from Amazon. So I'll just put that to the side. And we'll get started. I already took the cuticle pusher. You can see it looks like a scoop. I already took the cuticle pusher and just went through each nail and just pushed back my cuticle. So I already went through that process. And now we're going to start the installation. So just if you're new here, thanks so much for watching. And if you've seen any of my prior videos, I'm just a working mom, wife, entrepreneur who enjoys doing artificial nails as a favorite pastime. It's a hobby. I've been doing it for years, since I was in high school. And this is just what I like to do in terms of enhancing the look of my nails, my hands. So this is the before. And when I'm done, you'll see the after. So I already cut my nail bed, file them and prepare them for installation. So I'm just going to take the nail glue, squeeze. I'll start from my pinky and work outward. So I'll just squeeze a layer in the middle, make a U shape. I'm just going to stick here to the side. And I'll just take the nail, line it up with my cuticle bed, press it down on top, wait for a few seconds, and process the other nails the same way. You can see that. And I'll just hold it for about like 10-15 seconds. A little bit shorter. And I'll just, give it a little resistance just to make sure it's not going to pop up. And it's in place. Last thing I'm going to do is take my steel nail filer and just file and shape the top of the nails. So I'll just turn them towards me because it's easier. The shape of these nails at the tips is just flat and a little rounded edge. And that's kind of how I like mine. I think in some of the future videos that I'll do, I forget the shape of what they call this, but I will do longer nails because I have a tool where I can cut them down and shape them to like 3 different shapes. So I think that'll be interesting for you to see how you don't have to, you're not stuck with the shape that the nail comes in out of the box. You can manipulate the nail without losing the design. So we're just filing and shaping. I'm just going to wipe, file and shape, just so the edges are smooth and they're not sharp on the edges. I like smooth edges. So you can stick with the shape that's here, or you can make them more rounded. It's your choice, it's your nail. It's your expression. I'm wiping the whole hand here because it's falling. These little shavings are falling in my hand. It's creating a little dust. And you decide where you need to spend more time at. So just wipe that off. Just wipe these off for the excess dust and dirt. I have my area. And here you have finished result. Another set, another installation. Classy Nails by Kay. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.